Okay, I guess this is recording. If not, it's going to be a long failure. So I was reading the instructions, and I think I already jumped the gun a little bit because I was playing around with ChatGPT. So these will not be my initial reactions, so I apologize for that. But I'll show you a few things that I came up with, and then I will try some new stuff. So what I've done so far, I think I read somewhere on this course about people using the program to brush up on vocabulary or review or learn what words mean or whatever. So I did a couple trial runs with that. We used the Oxford Sadleir vocab units, and there's one unit that has the words soporific and vapid, and they're kind of similar words, so I thought I'd try a question that asks to discern between the definitions of the two. So we'll try that. So I like the fact that it gives the definition of each, and then at the end concludes with the main difference between them. So I think that works pretty well. I think this is a similar result to what I got last time. I wasn't sure if ChatGPT would have totally different results every time, or if that depends on the question. The response here is pretty straightforward, so it's probably very similar to what I got last time a few minutes ago. So I also tried to get some sentences with the words. So this is actually something different from what I just talked about, but I tried this too. So I'm trying to use both words in the same sentence. Okay, so you can see you have both words used there. And then you can also have okay, didn't spell that correctly, but it's okay. And obviously you have a lot of options here. A little pause there, as we just saw in the last lesson about when it comes to an end, but I guess that was just temporary. All right, so I do like this because if you're making a vocab quiz, for example, fill in the blank type thing, you could just copy the sentence and put a line here instead of the word and have a fill in the blank. You could also maybe use 4 of these sentences and replace soporific with one of the other ones and ask something like which one is not correct, putting another vocab word in there. So that would be an interesting use. I'm also assigned planning to teach an SAT prep course this fall for reading and writing, which I'm an English teacher. So I tried a question about creating a prompt. So it was something along the lines of, I don't know if I have to capitalize that, I doubt it, but I will. And I want to have passage based. I'm going to go ahead and copy that because I'll use a similar question a couple of times here. All right, so this is, as I said before, this is similar to the question it gave me last time. So I'm not sure what the limitations are for, for this. If I can use this, every week, or if it's sort of like you get one question and then that's it. Maybe rephrasing the question would be a good idea. So maybe I'll try that next. So overall, this looked pretty good. I don't know how, some of the questions might be a little bit easy. For, probably gonna have mostly 11th grade upper level kids. So I'm not sure if it's going to be challenging enough. But anyway, so let's try the same thing. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so the first time I just had a general author's purpose, so I got the same result as last time. When I get more specific about the topic, I got a different result. So it looks like let me go ahead and copy that. Let me try the most random thing that pops into my head here. So that worked pretty well. So one thing that I think will be appealing is that I can find out the different students' interests and give them questions about things they actually care about. So that worked pretty well. All right, let's go back to what else we're supposed to do here. I think I did 5 or more there. 5 to 10 minutes long. I don't think I'm quite that long. So that's, what else could we do here? So those are things that I have tried already. I'm not sure how to pause this, so yeah, I'm not even sure if I'm recording right now.